Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finding Happiness in Small Things. I would like to say thank you to my subscribers and all the viewers who are watching this video. I would like to request you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the bell icon and hit on all options so that my future videos notification come to you directly. So this is very interesting video. Watch until end, and this is about Mars rover that was in news lately. So keep watching the video until end.
This one that you're seeing is Apollo boilerplate command module.
Apollo boilerplate that was built to train astronaut, and one of many built to and train mission crew. This was made with aluminum with outer fiberglass. It was used by Apollo astronauts, including the crew of Apollo 2, the first lunar landing mission, to practice routine and emergency exits. The interior was later fitted with actual or mock-up components to simulate the Apollo-Soyuz spacecraft and a 5-person rescue vehicle planned for use if an emergency developed during the Skylab program.
This one you're seeing is Space Lab, Subsystems, Igloo.
Space Lab Subsystem. That was Igloo, used in International Space Station. Space Lab could be configured with an enclosed laboratory module, exposed platform called pellets or module pellets combinations. The Igloo canister was used on pellet-only missions. Mounted besides a pallet, it held subsystem that supplied power and other utilities to instruments and experiments on the pallet. Mission using an Igloo included Spacelab 2, Astro 1, Atlas 1, Atlas 2, Atlas 3, Astro 2. Two Igloo units were manufactured by SABCA and used in space. This one has intact exterior thermal insulation, but its internal hardware has been removed for reuse. A transfer tunnel permitted indoor passage of astronauts and equipment between space shuttle's mid-deck crew cabin and Space Lab laboratory module in the shuttle's open payload bay. The pressurized tunnel, straight section and a joggle or elbow section to compensate for different elevations of mid-deck and module entry hatches. McDonnell Douglas manufactured the tunnel. The joggle section was transferred to Smithsonian in 1998 when the Space Lab program ended. NASA kept the straight section for use on other shuttle missions.
This one that you're seeing is Mars Pathfinder lander.
I think that's what it actually
So
Mars Pathfinder and Sojourner Rover. That was the first spacecraft to land on Red Planet, Mars in 1976. It was launched on December 4, 1996 and reached Mars on July 4, 1997. The spacecraft entered the planet's thin atmosphere, was slowed down by parachute and then rockets, and landed by bouncing on inflatable airbags. Its protective aero shell then unfolded to provide 3 flat platforms, one of which held the Sojourner rover. Sojourner traveled down a ramp, studied the Martian surface, took images, and examined surface composition with an X-ray spectrometer. The lander and airbags displayed here are full-scale engineering prototype. The rover is full-scale, non-functional model built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory for exhibit on at museum. So friends, next section is about the rockets that were used to put satellites into space. So these are the rockets that belong to America, and then European Space Agency and Japanese space agencies. So during the video you can pause on the detail that I showed, and you can read the detail about the rockets. These rockets are models, and they are given the percentage, like proportion of actual to the model, like 1 into 15. So means 15 part will be represented as 1 part in the model. So feel free to pause the video and read complete detail about the rocket and enjoy the video.
Rockets to launch satellites. These are all different rockets. Some are Atlas, some are Titan, especially this one is a Titan, used to fire satellite into outer space. This is Delta rocket. These are not actual, but these are the models. This is Titan 3E center rocket. It's also scale model, not the actual thing, but this looked like this. This is Ariane 4 rocket. Used by European Space Agency in '73. And this was used to launch satellites into outer space. This is the H1 rocket. It's a Japan's National Space Development Agency. It was used in '94. This one is H2 rocket. Again, Japan's National Space Development Agency. This was used in '94, launching one satellite into Earth's orbit. Nippon is basically Japanese space agency. This is Atlas 5th. This is by United States to put satellites into outer space through 2012. Atlas rocket system. This one is Delta 4, again by United States government to launch satellites into outer space. Missile.